best fruits and vegetables for your nerves. It's essential to take care of our bodies and improve our overall health when it comes to this. One thing that we often forget about is the nervous system, though. We don't think about how important it is to keep our nerves and neurons in good shape. Like every other tissue, organ, and system in our bodies, our nervous system needs to be given enough food. When you eat foods that help your nerves, you will feel better. Best vegetables for nerves. Many people don't know, but there are certain vegetables that research has found to be very good for the health of our brains. In this video, we will talk about that. One that not many people know about will be shown at the end. So, if you're ready, let's start. 1. Brussels sprouts. This is the first vegetable that needs to be talked about. Brussels sprouts have a lot of good nutrients, but alpha-lipoic acid is one that we need to talk about. It is a compound with antioxidant properties and has been shown to help people who have metabolic syndrome keep their blood sugar levels in check. Alpha-lipoic acid can help people with multiple sclerosis, a long-term disease that causes the protective coating of nerves to be broken. If you have diabetes, your body may not work as well as it used to. This can cause pain, numbness, and tingling in your body. 2. Edamame. Edamame is a dish made from young soybeans that came from East Asia. Many people don't know that it has omega-3 fatty acids, which cut the risk of heart disease and other illnesses. Not only that, but omega-3s can also help the nervous system. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids can help repair nerve damage after an accident. It's a shame that our bodies can't make omega-3s on their own, so we have to get them from our food. 3. Ginger. Ginger is often said to be one of the healthiest and tastiest superfoods in the world. Many people use turmeric and curcumin, both parts of the ginger family, to help their bodies do many things. This, of course, includes the nervous system. A study found that these potent ingredients work to protect neurons and help people who have diabetic neuropathy too. 4. Spinach. Another vegetable that can help the body is spinach. Spinach is suitable for your nervous system because it has a lot of vitamin B6, which is good for your brain and body. It helps the body make neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that send messages to all body cells and parts. The good news is that you can get 26% of your vitamin B6 from just 1 cup of spinach, which can help your nervous system. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is the next food on our list, so we'll talk about that next. Broccoli has a lot of excellent antioxidants and nutrients, like vitamin K. When it comes to the health of our brain, it is a fat-soluble vitamin that is very important. Studies have shown that older people who eat more vitamin K have a better memory. Broccoli also has other components that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can help protect the brain as well. Fruits that are good for your nerves. Along with vegetables, some fruits are just as important for our nervous system as they are. Let's look at them one by one. 1. Pomegranates. Research has shown that the parts of pomegranate help people remember things better. A study found that people who had surgery and took 2 grams of pomegranate extract had fewer memory problems afterward. Some other research has shown that people who drink pomegranate juice daily can also better verbal and visual memory. Not only that, but pomegranate's nutrients may help fight Alzheimer's disease, but more research is needed in this area. 2. Oranges. To keep your body healthy, you need vitamin C, which oranges have many. With that said, they also have a lot of thiamine in them, which is good for you. Thiamine is a B vitamin that is sometimes called an anti-stress vitamin. It helps the body deal with stressful situations. If you have a headache, irritability, and sudden bouts of depression, you may be low on thiamine, which is some of the signs. That's why you should eat thiamine-rich foods like oranges to improve your mood and keep your brain sharp. Try to eat whole oranges instead of orange juice because it has a lot of sugar and other unhealthy things. 3. Berries. In this case, we're talking about blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, but we can also talk about other types of fruit. Antioxidants are usually what people think of when they think of these foods. However, studies have shown that they may also help the nervous system. It is a flavonoid found in red, blue, and purple fruits. It can get through the blood-brain barrier. It can protect brain cells from being damaged and cut down on cancer risk. It also protects the brain from inflammation, damaging the neurons, making it hard to move, and slowing down cognitive function. 4. Persimmons. Persimmons are the next fruit on our list, and we're going to keep moving right along. Persimmons are a type of fruit that has been grown in Asia for a long time. These have a lot of powerful nutrients and antioxidants that can help your body in various ways. These, in particular, have a lot of fiber, which has been shown to help keep your brain healthy. Persimmons also have a lot of vitamin C, which helps protect neurons from oxidative stress, damaging them. 5. Avocados. Because avocados are so good, we couldn't make this video without talking about them. Avocados are thought to be one of the best superfoods in the world. Not only do avocados have a lot of B vitamins that can help you deal with stress, but they also have a lot of potassium. The central nervous system sends messages from the brain to other body parts, like the heart and the lungs. The body needs potassium to send a nerve impulse for this mechanism to work. It has up to 974 mg of potassium, about 20% of the recommended daily amount. Well, this ends our video. What are your thoughts about it? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in another video.